Your BMW X3 key fob likely uses a CR2032 battery. When you see a key not detected message on your dash, it's time for a replacement. To access the battery, look for a release button or a small notch on the fob. Newer models, 2018 plus, often feature toolless access. If you don't see either of these, use a plastic pry tool or a small flathead screwdriver. Insert the tool into the seam and gently pry the case open, being careful not to break the clips. With the key fob open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery using a non-conductive tool to prevent short circuits. Note the battery's orientation with the positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation. Snap the key fob case back together, ensuring it's fully closed. Test the key fob by pressing the buttons within 10 feet of your X3. If it doesn't work, the fob might need reprogramming by holding unlock and lock buttons simultaneously. Dispose of the old battery at a recycling center.